Hello everyone. So I think you can hear me. Yeah, there are people those are waiting for. Okay. Today we'll be doing with dealing with some tough questions. Okay, some interesting questions. Last time we did very easy questions. Hello everyone. So I think you can hear me. Okay. Let people come and join. We'll quickly go and start our classes. Chalo. Fine. So last class we have seen questions on UV, the chain rule. Okay, different chain rule, how to go about it. We have seen that kind of questions, and today we'll be seeing some important questions. See, when it comes to differentiation chapter, okay, when it comes to differentiation chapter, it is very important, and near about four questions will be asked. Okay, near about 4 to 5 questions will be asked, and it is very easy. You need to know the basics. If your basics are strong, you can easily solve these questions. Okay, chalo, let us solve the first question without wasting time. Question number one. I know that you are ready with your notebook and pen. So the first question is here. This was asked in previous examinations. The derivative of, okay, the derivative of secant inverse, okay, secant inverse into bracket 1 by 2x square minus 1 with respect to root of 1 minus x square, with respect to root of 1 minus x square at x is equal to 1 by 2, at x is equal to 1 by 2 is dash. Okay, so this is the question here. You can start solving. I'll be giving you the options here. Options, A is 2, option B is 4, option C is 1, and option D is minus 2. Okay, it is very easy. Consider this as u and then consider this as v, then you have to differentiate both. We have done it previously, you know it very well. Quickly tell me the answer. After getting dy by dx, you after getting du by dv, you have to put the value of x as 1 by 2 and then find the answer. Okay, then you have to find the answer. Quickly do it faster. Ronaldo is here, then Ivan is here, then Arun is here. Candid, those who are not getting any some steps, you can just message me. I'll teach it again. These are all very important questions. Okay, very important question. If you are preparing from previous year NDA question papers, you can see these kind of questions asked again and again. Okay, so this is a question, so let me solve. Okay, Rama Nayak has given me the answer as 2. Yeah, we'll check it. I'll also solve it. You just check your answers. Just check your answer, Rama. Just check whether you have done some small mistakes. Dy by d theta is 2. That is correct. Pavan Sai has given us 2. Just check it. Dy by d theta. I think you are telling about dy by d theta. What about this z? Okay, fine. So let me solve it. Let u is equal to secant inverse of 1 by 2x square minus 1. Here you have to substitute. Okay, here you have to substitute. I'll tell you how. V is equal to root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so in this now you have to differentiate. So first in this, what I am doing, let x is equal to cos theta. Okay, let x is equal to cos theta. So what happens here? Secant inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this term, okay, this term can be written as secant inverse of secant 2 theta. Okay, secant inverse of secant 2 theta, that is our u. Okay, till now it is our u. Now here, if I want to differentiate dv by dx, okay, suppose if I want to no, okay, just a minute, I have just put x is equal to cos theta, so here it will become root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta, so this v will become root of sine square theta. So what is this? V is equal to sine theta. Okay, now what I'm going to do, now differentiating with respect to theta. So here this will be du by d theta. Here it will be like 2 theta, and finally what I will get? I will get the answer as 2. Now here I will differentiate dv by d theta, that is equal to cos theta. Okay, now I want to find du by dv. Okay, so this can be written as du by d theta into d theta by dv. So here it will be 2 as it is divided by cos theta. Okay, divided by cos theta. So now here you have to be careful. See, here you people have got as 2. Okay, here you have got as 2. So that is what you have to be careful. If people are given with the answer, that is only for du by d theta, but we need to find du by dv. Okay, you need to find du by dv. Now see this carefully. Cos theta can be written as x. Okay, cos theta can be written as x. So here what I am doing, next step, 2 divided by x. But in question what they have given, the question they have given, the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. So what happens here? Now I'm going to write 2 divided by 1 by 2. So it goes to the numerator, and this becomes answer as 4. So option B is the right answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. So this is how you are going to solve this question. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, easy boys. Okay, fine. Chalo, we'll go on to next question. This is what I was talking every class. Okay, this is what I was telling. These questions are very important. Nowadays NDA questions are the whole root. Option B, sin x divided by y plus 1, and option C, cos x divided by 2y plus 1. Option D is cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, 2y minus 1. Here I will tell you the trick. First I will tell you by long method. Okay, there are long methods. With this long method you can solve, and after that there is direct formula for it. Okay, there is nothing called as formula. Like after derivation they get some equation, and every time it proves to be true in all cases. So that's why we call it as formula. Just keep doing it faster. I'll tell you the answer. Y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x up to infinity. There are two methods here, with formula and without formula also. Okay, Likit is here. Fine, very good. Keep doing it. Okay, what's the answer? Anyone is getting the answer? Do it fast. Do it fast. Yeah, I'll be sending after the class gets over. I'll be sending all the slides to you. Okay, don't worry. You can see the complete slide. Yeah, Bhupati has given me the answer. He's quick, really quick. He has given me the answer as A. Okay, let us wait and see what happens. Bhupati, you have done some small mistake. Just wait and see. Okay, how I'm going to solve it, just wait and see. Pawan Sai, what happened? Do it faster. Option C, somewhere close, somewhere close. Likit is somewhere close. I think you have done a sign mistake. Just check it. Okay, you have done a sign mistake. Fine, okay. So before anyone could do it, you keep trying. Those are trying, you keep trying. Chalo, I'll just, by the time I'll solve it. Okay, so eyes on your screen, ready. So what I'm going to do, let y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x. It continues up to what? Up to infinity. So if you look carefully from the second term, this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term, and it continues. Okay, from the second term what happens, the question itself is continuing again. Okay, so question itself is continuing again. This y is continuing again. So what I'm going to do, I will write y is equal to root of sin x plus y. Okay, I can write this as it is. From the second term, what is going to happen? It continues. So now squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, what I get? Y square is equal to sin x plus y. Okay, y square is equal to sin x plus y. Now differentiating with respect to x. What do you get when you get do differentiation with respect to x? This will become 2y into dy by dx is equal to sin x differentiation is cos x plus y into dy by dx. Okay, plus y into dy by dx. So now what happens? Next step, sorry, here it won't be y, it will be like dy by dx direct. Okay, I thought 2y. Okay, fine. Now this will become 2y dy by dx. This dy by dx taking on to LHS. Okay, this will become dy by dx, and this cos x as it is. Okay, cos x as it is. Now dy by dx common. If you take dy by dx common, it will become 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. So dy by dx, okay, dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by 2y minus 1. This is your answer. Okay, some of you got 2y plus 1. Okay, this is wrong. You have to take y dy by dx common, so at that time you will get 2y minus 1. Okay, this is a long method. I have told a long method. Now whenever if this kind of questions are there, you just focus on one thing: f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x divided by 2y minus 1. If it is plus here, this will become minus. Okay, if it is minus here, this will become plus. Okay, that's it. You have to be careful. So now this is your homework question. Y is equal to root of cos x plus cos x plus cos x up to infinity. Okay, you need to find dy by dx. What you have to do, just find this f dash of x. Okay, and this will be 2y minus 1. That's it. Okay, this is so easy. It's so easy to solve this kind of questions. Okay, so moving on to next question. I hope you got it. Any doubt you have, you can just ask us in WhatsApp or anything. You have our number. Okay, next is very interesting. Let us see who answers. These are all previously asked question. Okay, if y is equal to if y is equal to log of if y is equal to log of root tan x, then the value of, okay, find dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, x is equal to pi by 4. So it is easy, very easy. If y is equal to log of root tan x, find dy by dx at x is equal to pi by 4. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 by 2, and d is equal to infinity. Okay, chalo, start doing it faster. I'll be waiting for your answers. It's easy, very easy. Just basic formulas you have to apply. First, at least tell me what is the value of dy by dx. If you get the value of dy by dx, everything else will be easy. Yes, you have to be really quick. This much time is not okay. Fine, chalo. Before anyone could do it, I'll just try to do it, and you keep just checking your answers. In the end, you have to put the value of x is equal to pi by 4, and then you have to find the answer. Dy by dx. Okay, chalo. Now, suppose what I'm going to do here, y is equal to log of root tan x. Okay, y is equal to log of, yes, right answer. A is the right answer. Very good. Okay, y is equal to log of root tan x. So first what you are going to do, differentiate with respect to x. So what happens here? Dy by dx. So what is differentiation of log x? Okay, so imagine this is x. Okay, this is x. Okay, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Here I have taken root of tan x as 1 by x. Again you have to differentiate this root of tan x. Okay, this root of tan x divided by dx. Okay, you have to do this. Now if you again do this, root of tan x into, this will become 1 by 2 root tan x. Okay, 1 by 2 root tan x. Again this is one more function, so you have to differentiate this tan x again divided by dx. So finally you'll get an answer, dy by dx is equal to secant square x, secant square x into 2 tan x. Okay, secant square x into 2 tan x. So this root and this root will get cancelled. Okay, and finally what happens, and now you have to find that x is equal to pi by 4. If you put the substitute the value of x is equal to pi by 4, you will get dy by dx is equal to 2 by 2. That answer is equal to 1. So here a is the right answer. Okay, a is the right answer. So this is how you are going to proceed for this kind of questions. I hope you are getting it. I hope you are getting it fine. Chalo. Moving on to next question. Let me see who answers it. Very, very important question. Interesting question. D by dx. Okay, d by dx. Tan inverse of, tan inverse of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. This is whole root. Okay, this is whole root. Okay, find the answer of this. Find the value of this a b c d. Option is given minus 1 by 2, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 by 2, and d is equal to 1, and d is equal to 1. Okay, tell me the answer for this faster. You have to be careful with the formulas here. Substitute 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x formulas. Substitute 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x formulas. 1 minus cos x can be also written in the x by 2 form, sin x by 2 form, cos x by 2 form. Do it faster. This is very easy chapters. Okay, differentiation is very easy chapter. After this, integration is also very easy. You have a lot of tricks there. As far as differentiation is when I talk about differentiation chapter, there are not much shortcuts here, but integration there are a lot of shortcuts. Okay, there are a lot of shortcuts. We'll be dealing with that. Just substitute 1 minus cos x value. Just substitute 1 minus cos x value, then 1 plus cos x in pi by 2 form. You'll get the answer. Okay, getting it or not? Getting it or not? Okay, maybe you are doing it. Option A. Okay, let me see. Just wait and see what happens. What about other guys? How many people are doing it? Do it fast. Everyone should get it. Very easy. Very easy. Okay, Likith has given the answer as A. Just we'll have to wait and see what he has done it. Whether it is right or wrong, we'll have to check it. Okay, fine. Chalo. Before everyone, you keep trying on your side also. I'll be doing it from my side. Okay, now suppose, if always keep in mind, if it is 1 minus cos x, okay, if it is 1 minus cos x, you are going to substitute the value as 2 sine square x by 2. Understood? 2 sine square x by 2. And if it is 1 plus cos x in your question, you are going to substitute 2 cos square x by 2. And how it is coming, like from where it came, it is all basic formula. You have to keep your, this is all your basics. Okay, now for an example, now this can be written as tan inverse of 2 sine square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2, and this is whole root. Okay, and this is into bracket. Now I have to differentiate this. Now what happens, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, this square roots get cancelled. So what we are left with, tan inverse of tan inverse of, this will be sine of x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. Okay, we are left with this. So this sine of x by 2 cos of x by 2 can be written as, this can be written as tan inverse of tan of x by 2. Okay, tan inverse of tan of x by 2, and by properties you know this can be written as this differentiation dy by dx, this can be written as this x by 2. Now you have to differentiate d by dx is equal to x by 2. So what is this x by 2? I'm going to take 1 by 2 as common and differentiate this x. When I differentiate this x, I'll get as answer as 1. So what is the final answer? Answer is 1 by 2. It is not minus. Minus one does not comes. It is 1 by 2. So here you have done a small mistake. Here you have done a small mistake. Just check it. Okay. Answer is 1 by 2. I hope you are getting it. Keep doing it from your side. After the class gets over, you will be getting these notes in your WhatsApp group. Please be in touch with WhatsApp group. Any other doubt you have from your class or something like that, you can ask us. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. Let me see who answers it. This I think yesterday we have done it, but still it was a different kind of problem. Next question, if y is equal to, if y is equal to log of sin x, if y is equal to log of sin x, then d square y by dx square is equal to how much? So you have to double differentiate this. Okay, you have to double differentiate this. A, B, C, D. A is minus cosecant square x. Start doing it. I'll be writing the options here. Secant square x minus cosecant x minus cosecant x into cot x, into cot x, secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x. So these are the four options. Do it faster, very easy. Just a single term here. Log, you have to first differentiate with respect to x. Log of x is 1 by x. Then again differentiate sin x. You will get this. I hope you all will get this right answer. Within 2 minutes, within 2 minutes you should get the answer. It's not so tough. It's very easy. It's very easy. Do it faster. Yeah, anyone getting the answers here? If you want more practice problem, we'll be giving it on your demand. I hope your daily comprehension or reading newspaper is on the way, because in NDA paper 2, English is one subject and other subjects are also there like history, geography, polity, everything is there. So you have to be really good in that also. Understood? Important. Okay. What about the answer? Fine. You have to double differentiate here. You have to be careful while differentiating. Suppose if y is equal to log of sin x. Okay, log of sin x. Now I'm going to differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to log of x. What is the differentiation of log x? It is 1 by x. So what is here x? I am writing sin x. But again I have to differentiate this sin x. Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. Okay, this is cos x. So what happens here? I am getting dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by sin x. So cos x divided by sin x can be written as cot x. Okay, cos x can be written as cos x. Now again differentiating, because I have to double differentiate. Again differentiating with respect to x. So what happens here? D square y by dx square is equal to, now differentiation is of cot x is what? Cosecant square x minus cosecant square x. So that is your answer. Okay, minus cosecant square x. So this is your answer. So it is that easy. Don't panic. These are all competitive examination questions. They have asked this kind of questions. Okay, you be prepared for this kind of questions in upcoming NDA examination. If it is not asked in NDA, they'll be asking in questions like SSR or Group X or something like that. Okay, slowly we'll move on to other chapters also. Don't worry. Still time is there. No, no, Likit, answer is wrong. B answer is wrong. Fine, chalo. Let me see a challenge. Okay, a challenge for you all. Let me see who answers this question. Very interesting. Question is, if y is equal to, be careful with this question. Okay, if y is equal to log of secant, log of secant into bracket e to the power of x to the power of 2. Okay, this is the question. Then dy by dx is equal to, find dy by dx is how much? Okay, find dy by dx is equal to how much? So this is the question. Just keep solving now. See, be careful with the question. I'll read the question again. Y is equal to log of secant into bracket e to the power of x to the power of 2. Okay, this is the question. Find dy by dx. This is the question. A, option A I have given 2x. You keep doing it. I'll write the options here. Tan e to the power of x to the power of 2, e to the power of x to the power of 2. Answer B here, 2x e to the power of x to the power of 2 secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 into tan of e to the power of x to the power of 2 x square ex square into tan ex square. This is option C, and option D is ex square tan ex square. Looking at these options, many a times students they give up. Okay, they have a tendency to give up because looking at the question and the options, they will be always panicked. It is very easy, don't worry, I'll tell you how to solve it. First differentiate log x, then again you have to differentiate secant x, then you have to differentiate tan x. Keep doing it. This is just one line question. Okay, in one line you will get the answer, but I'll tell you step by step, don't worry. I'll tell you all the steps one by one. The moment you finish it, you can just message me. If you're not getting, you can just tell me, I'll do it further. Okay, option B, let me see, do it faster. See, these are all previously asked questions, that's why it is interesting. You have to be basic, thoroughly thorough with your basics. Okay, like NCERT textbook, NCERT formulas. If you are thorough with that, you will get easily. These questions are like very easy for you all. Okay, any answers? Fine. Shall I do now? Are you getting it? Okay, Likhit has given me the answer as A. Likhit has given me the answer as A. Fine. We'll check it. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, fine. So let me see what happens here. Be careful, see, don't panic. First, with respect to x, this function I have to differentiate. Secant e to the power of x to the power of 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do? 1 secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 as it is into, what is differentiation of secant x to the power of secant x? That is tan x. So tan x I'm writing e to the power of x to the power of 2. But now here, this is one more function. So I have to differentiate this again. Okay, dy by dx, that is e to the power of x to the power of 2. Okay, so in next step, what is going to happen? 1 by secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 into tan e to the power of x to the power of 2 into, what is the differentiation of e to the power of x to the power of 2? It is the same. Okay, it is the same, e to the power of x to the power of 2. Just a minute, e to the power of x to the power of 2, and then next step you have to again differentiate this 2 here. Okay, so what happens here? 1 by secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 into, okay, I have done a mistake here. Differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Okay, so here I have done one mistake. Here what happens, one more term will come, that is secant x to the power of 2 here. Okay, here there will be, see, differentiation of, if you take differentiation of this, what happens again, here this will be secant x into tan x. Okay, differentiation of secant x into tan x. So here what happens, 1 by secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 into secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 into tan of e to the power of x to the power of 2. This is, we have got till here. This previous step is e to the power of x to the power of 2 into 2x. Okay, into 2x. Now again, if I want to differentiate this 2x, I'll get answer as 1. Okay, into 1 it will be the same. So here what happens, this secant e to the power of x to the power of 2 and this will get cancel, and we are left with 2x into tan e to the power of x to the power of 2 into e to the power of x to the power of 2. So this is the final step which we get by differentiating dy by dx. So just check it in your option. What is the right option? Option A is the right option. So this is what is the answer. So Likit is right. Yeah, Likit is right. You are going to, this is the right option. Okay, so this is how the questions are asked. Okay, so if your basics are good, you can easily solve it. Okay, next question. We'll move on to next question. If y is equal to, if y is equal to log of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, then find dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is how much? So option A, they have given minus 4 x cube, 1 minus x4. Option B is 4, 1 minus x to the power of 4. Option C, minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4. Option D, 4x cube, 1 minus x to the power of 4. Okay, this is the question. So let me see who does it faster. Other questions are very interesting. We'll see one by one who does it. Answer A, candidate is given as answer A, minus 4x cube. Okay, we'll just wait and see. We'll just wait and see what happens. Okay. Anyone else getting the answer? Anyone else is getting the answer? One candidate has replied as answer A. Okay, answer D. Okay, A and D is the options given here. Fine, chalo, we'll do it now. Okay, so first what you are going to do, you need to know the log principle. Okay, y is equal to log 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So when I write log of x by y, can I write this as log of x minus log of y? Okay, in the same way, what I'm going to do, this will be log of 1 minus x square minus of log of 1 plus x square. Okay, and this is my y. Now differentiating with respect to x. So what happens here? Dy by dx is equal to, now differentiating this. What is differentiation of log x? That is 1 by 1 minus x square into this minus this term. If you differentiate, this will become 0 minus 2x. Now minus of 1 by 1 plus x square into 0 plus 2x. Okay, so next term what I get? This is minus 2x by 1 minus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. So what I'm going to do, if you simplify this, if you take minus 2x common, okay, if you take minus 2x common, and if you simplify this, you will get as 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square, and down this will become a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, this will become 1 minus x to the power of 4. Okay, 1 minus x to the power of 4. So now what happens, this and this will get cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So minus 2x, 2 divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4. So what is your final answer? That is, when you open the bracket, that is minus 4x divided by 1 minus x to the power of 4. This is the right answer. Okay, some of you have got 4x cube. What you have done, you have taken that x. Okay, some one small mistake you have done it, but a is not the right answer here. Right answer is answer b, sorry, answer c. Okay, this is the right answer. Okay, so moving on to next, a very interesting question. Okay, this is how your competition level will be. Okay, this is how your competitive NDA exam questions are. So let me see. If y is equal to the power of x, okay, if y is equal to the power of x and x to the power of y, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if this is the situation. Option A, y by x. Option B, y x minus, sorry, x into log y minus y divided by x into y into log y minus x. Option C is x by y, and option D is x log y divided by y log y. Okay, try to do stepwise. Okay, don't skip any step. Be careful. Be careful with what steps you are doing. First, take log on both sides. I'll just give you a clue. Take log on both sides. After this math class, you can just go and revise the formulas and then take your GK subjects, because GK subjects are very, very important. Okay, GK subjects are very, very important. It plays a very important role in getting into merits. Okay. It is a long question. It will take your time. It is going to consume your time. But this is how the questions will be asked in your examination. Okay, so I think this will be the last part of differentiation chapter, and we have more questions, more interesting questions. Let me see who answers that. Day by day, we'll be giving you. Okay, and exams maybe will be in the month of July, because all have been posted to more about 40 days, or maybe they will give you age relaxation. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, fine. So maybe candidates you are trying. So we'll go. I'll just solve it. How to do it, I'll just teach you. Now, don't panic in this kind of question. This is very easy. Okay, a candidate has given us answer B. Candidate has given us answer B. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let us all check it whether he's right or wrong. What is your name? Can you tell me your name? You have just given NK, something like that. Okay, just type your name. By that time, I'll be writing this question here. Write the question as it is: y is to the power of x, x to the power of y. So the first step is what? Taking log on both side. Okay, taking log on both side. So log of y to the power of x, log of x to the power of y. So here what happens? X into log y is equal to y into log x. Okay, y into log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with x, what happens? X into 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y. Okay, this is what happens when you differentiate LHS. Now differentiating RHS, y by x plus log x into dy by dx. So next step what to do? Yeah, Noshik, very good. I'll just check whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay, next step what you are going to do, taking dy by dx common. So here this x by y into dy by dx, it will be like this, minus of log x into dy by dx is equal to this y by x minus of x by y. This will become like this. Now taking dy by dx common, what happens here? This will become x by y minus log x, okay, is equal to y by x minus x by y. Okay, y by x minus x by y. So this is what you're, just a minute, I've done log y should go here. Okay, okay, x by y. Just a minute, I have done a small mistake here. Okay, just cooperate. It is like confusing teaching on this tab and all. I'll write this second step as it is. Okay, differentiating this step. Okay, differentiating this method. This will become x by y into dy by dx plus log y, and this is y by x plus log x into dy by dx. So taking first dy by dx on LHS. Okay, so this will become x by y dy by dx minus of log x into dy by dx. This is equal to, now taking this one and taking this one, I have done this mistake here, you don't do it, y by x minus of log y. Okay, y by x minus of log y. Now here taking dy by dx common, this will become x by y minus of log x. Okay, x by y minus of log x, and this is y by x minus log y. So here this dy by dx as it is, what happens here, RHS will be y by x minus of log y whole divided by this term will go to the denominator. That means it will become x by y minus of log x. So next what happens here, y minus x log y divided by x into x minus y into log x divided by whole y. So here what happens, final answer will be y by x. Okay, y by x into y minus x log y divided by x minus y log x. Okay, this is your answer. So the option B is the right answer. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve this. Again you try to do it. I have done a small confusion here in this, after this method I have done a small confusion, but again I have done this here properly. Okay, so you can focus on this methods. Okay, chalo. Next question is easy, but it is going to consume your time. Okay, it is very easy. Let me see. If if f of x is equal to, if f of x is equal to root of 1 plus root x. Okay, root of 1 plus root x, then find f dash of x. Then find f dash of x. That's it. This is the question. Try to do it. Try to do it. F of x is equal to root of 1 plus root x. So f dash of x is how much? F dash of x is how much? This will be 1 by 2 root of this. Then again you have to differentiate this. It's easy. Done. You have to get the answer immediately. I'll not give you the options. Okay. So here let y is equal to root of 1 plus root of x. So now differentiating with respect to x, what happens, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root of 1 plus root x. Okay, now this term again you have to differentiate into differentiation of 1 plus root x divided by dx. So next step what happens, 1 by 2 root of 1 plus root x as it is into what is differentiation of constant, that is 0, plus what is differentiation of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, again if you differentiate this x, you will get the value as 1 only. Okay, that will be 1 only. So what happens here in the final thing, this will become 1 by 4 root x. Okay, 1 by 4 root x into 1 plus root x. Okay, 1 plus root x. This 1 by 4 root x, let it be as it is. Okay, 1 by 4 root x, let it be as it is, and I'm writing 1 by 1 plus root x. Okay, 1 by 1 plus root x. Can I write this 1 plus root x and this 1 plus root x? If you see, both are same, right? So can I write f of x or y? So your final answer will be 1 by 4 root of x into 1 by f of x. This is your final answer. I have not given you options, but in option this was the options given. Okay, and sometimes they are given square or cube or something like that. This is what they are given in your options. Okay, so don't worry. So these are how your examination questions will be. You can take one more question. Let me solve one more question. If if y is equal to tan inverse of, if y is equal to tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. It's easy. Do it. I'll give you the options here this time. 1 by root of 1 minus x square, b x root of 1 minus x square, option c 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and option d they have given root of 1 minus x square by x. Okay, try to find out. It's easy. Just apply your mind whether you want to substitute something or not. I'll give you a clue here. Just put the value of x as theta. That's it. In one step you'll get the answer. Whenever there is tan inverse or something like that, right, you have to substitute. This comes through practice. If your basics are not strong, no problem, you can send me a message. I will be teaching you the basic things straight from NCERT textbooks. We'll start from NCERT or some other state medium textbook, and then we'll do it. Okay, you should get the answer by this time. It's easy. Just put the value of x as sine theta. Anyone? What is the answer? Naushik, what happened? Naushik, Likit, you should get this answer. Fine. Okay. I hope you will be doing this. So by the time I'll be doing that. So let x is equal to sine theta here. Okay. Let x is equal to sine theta here. So what happens? Y is equal to tan inverse of sine theta divided by root of 1 minus, this will be sine square theta. So here what happens? Tan inverse of, okay, this will become sine theta divided by, what is root of 1 minus sine square theta? This can be written as cos square theta, and this square root will get cancelled. This will become cos theta. So still we are in y, we are not differentiating y. Okay, so this will become y tan inverse of into bracket tan theta. Okay, now if you differentiate with respect to theta, you have to differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta, what happens? Dy by d theta is equal to theta. But what is the value of theta from here? Can I write this? Theta is equal to sine inverse x. Okay, now suppose I want to differentiate with respect to x here. Sorry, here I can write theta. This will become dy by d theta, like that. Okay, now you have to differentiate this sine inverse x. So this will become dy by dx is equal to differentiating this sine inverse x. So what is the differentiation of sine inverse x? That answer, that formula, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is the final answer. So option C here is the right answer. Okay, this is a formula. Okay, how I arrive to root of 1 by root of 1 minus x square? This is the formula in inverse trigonometry and all those things. Okay, so this is how you are practice for your NDA examination, coming up NDA examination. Okay, NDA or whatever it is, Navy SSR or X or anything. Okay, so I hope today you have enjoyed our classes. You have any doubt, you can message us on 7598486430. You can message us on this number, and we'll be taking some other classes like GK classes or some other SSB classes live on this YouTube. Stay tuned and just like this video if you like it. Just comment if you have any doubt or any other suggestion. Share this video to your friends so that they can crack this exam easily and they can become officer in the first shot. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Thank you. Jai Hind.